This video is not a substitute for reading and following the information contained in the service manual. All service procedures should be performed by an appropriately trained and authorized service technician with the necessary certifications. To enter the service mode, press and hold the power and alarm off keys until PS and 0 alternate in the display. Press the ICE off key once and all the icons will illuminate and begin to flash. Press the ICE off again to see the display software version and revision alternating in the display. This is the first of 6 tests available in the service mode. Press ICE off again to see Test 2, the control board software version and revision alternating in the display. Press ICE off again to see Test 3, the temperature being read at all 8 sensors. The display will flash the sensor code, CA, then the cabinet location, 0 for fresh food, 1 for freezer, and 2 for multi-zone, then the temperature in Celsius. The readings of all 8 sensors will continue to scroll through until you advance to the next test. Quickly press the power and alarm off keys simultaneously to enter Test 4, all LEDs and fans. SC will be displayed and pressing the ICE off key will turn all the lights and fans on. Press ICE off again to turn them off. Quickly press the outer 2 keys again to enter Test 5. Scroll forward through the list of components with the alarm off key and turn them on and off with the ICE off key. FF is the fresh food fan. Press the alarm off to advance to the next component, SU, which is solenoid valve for the multi-zone. Change the valve position with the ICE off key. Position 1 is the multi-zone as a freezer, 2 the multi-zone is bypassed, 3 the multi-zone as fresh food, and 0 the solenoid is closed. Press alarm off again to advance to CO, which is the compressor. Remember, ICE off turns the components on and off. Press alarm off again for CF, the condenser fan. The first press shows you the RPMs of the fan. Press alarm off to advance to SB, the fill tube heaters. Press alarm off again to advance to BU, the ice maker water valve. Press alarm off again for DU, the dispenser water valve. Press alarm off again for AU, the main water valve. This valve must be open for the testing of the 2 previous valves. Press alarm off again for DR, the right side of the ice maker. Press the ICE off to rotate the tray once for 1, which is counterclockwise, and twice for 2, which is clockwise. These key presses are the same for LR, which is the left side of the ice maker. If the trays are left in a rotated position, turning the refrigerator off and back on will return them to home. Press alarm off again for E, which is the multi-zone defrost element. Press the alarm off again for F, which is the multi-zone fan. The first press displays the high-speed RPMs, the second press the low. Press alarm off again for RE, the freezer defrost element. Press alarm off again for RF, freezer fan. The first press displays the high-speed RPMs, the second press the low speed. Press alarm off again for FL, fresh food and freezer lights. ICE off turns them on and off. Press alarm off again for BA, blue lights. Press alarm off again for the ionizer. Press alarm off again for FO, the fresh food heater. Quickly press the outer 2 buttons simultaneously to enter the ice maker water intake time. Use the ICE off button to adjust the time. Press and hold the outer 2 keys to exit service mode.